Today in the workshop we've got an RS6. Customer complaint was a harsh knocking under hard acceleration. Hi, I'm Luke, technician at Fontain. This is the start of our technical series. Today in the workshop we've got an RS6. Customer complaint was a harsh knocking under hard acceleration. We've replicated that complaint, went out with a customer, test drove it with the customer, and then took it for a drive ourselves. There's a definite knock on the gear change between 1 and 2, which is when there's a high amount of torque being produced by the engine, and any chassis component that may be under strain is going to fail at that point. In the process of looking for obvious issues with any of the suspension components, we've actually picked up quite a severe oil leak on the oil cooler pipe. If you look here, when we move the pipe, you can see it's moving within the cooler itself. So that is going to need some attention, because obviously he's losing his engine oil, which is no good for the car. Back to the knocking noise, we've actually located quite a bad leak on the engine mount. These mounts are fluid filled and they're actuated to adjust stiffness of the mounts, and unfortunately this one has had a failure of one of the seals internally, so will require replacement. We'll write the report up on Dragon and get back to the customer with the report.